I fight to find me. Can't tell me lazy.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, I say the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Wagwan viewers and subscribers from your device, I know it's a boy Soji TV Entertainment with the next review. And me as a viewers and subscriber, this artist who me I go review goes by the name of Pablo YG. Yes man, this artist forward out of Wochi, you see me, one place named Shaw Park. Yes man, I may say yo, in Japa song titled Don't Cry. I may say yo, yeah man, you know say young youth them a do them thing nowadays, you know, so you have to give the youths them the support, you know, cause as me say, you know, youths them could out there do all mother of evil. So you know, see the youths them, I take up them talent and I showcase them talent. You give them strength and support, and in drop the song there, you can see say yo, man a pre out a box, you see it, viewers and subscribers. Because the man tell us some things in it. I tell us you feel like chopper no cry more while or banger no cry. If you cry to come more while money can't come in, you know man, and you see the things hard, you see me, and peer pressure and whole heap of thing. If you cry if you not do certain things out of way, cause you don't know cybercrime, I want big crime, and you do that already and you don't know you know want to go do the other crime, you see me? So you have to listen where artists say some whole heap of things where you need to take keen attention to. And see say youths them a holy faith. Yes man, so you have to give them the strength, viewers and subscribers. I would have like you know guys go over him Vivo and make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. Yes, viewers and subscribers. Here where artists say.
Like chopper no feelings. Mount of time tears drop like rain.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, yeah, artists who no sell so no Soji attack nothing where him no hear away artists I say me attack. And me I say yo, the artist a drop some real tune since we know a artist. I have to give him props for that. Please and thanks go over in Vivo and make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment send on over there. Yes man, YG. Big up yourself Pablo YG, you see me? Spinners Records, young producer, you are going good to me youth, so you have to get your props same way, you see me? Big up yourself, my general. Viewers and subscribers, you can also go check out Spinners Record on YouTube or Instagram or any other platform, you see me? No joke, because the young youths them are going good. And me as a young vlogger see me I run with the young artists them where you see me, them artists yeah, we are run with. So who no know them, I go know them from Soji TV Entertainment, viewers and subscribers. Yes man, and the man video shot, so me have to big up it man where video it and edit it too. You see me, them have to get them credit said way. Man will make it beats them. Yes man. Cause without a team, you know, man, nothing no possible, you know. One man can't do it, you see me? Yes, man. I mean, I say, yo, viewers and subscribers, please remember to like, share, subscribe to Soji TV Entertainment if you haven't subscribed as yet. You see me? And thank you for watching. And I hope you guys have a prosperous new year. And I hope you guys is walking on the safe path. Yes man, you know, Soji TV Entertainment there, you know. So just check out for the latest reviews and updates.